Bitch called me ugly. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, where?
Darla, bibilang kita ng black polo because I love you.
Thank you, Chrissy.
Yes. Ano ka sa men's? Large? Or extra large? Extra large. Okay.
Bitches be like, that's your boyfriend? Yeah, bitch, that's my boyfriend. And I'll smack the right out your mouth.
Kanina talaga, as an excited mother, ano talaga, 6:45 nagising ako. Eh, walang alarm, walang anything. Tumayo talaga ako.
Babe,
Yeah?
Jijimon ba ako?
Huh? Ano naman?
Kasi, ikaw lang, sepet na eh.
Hindi ko kailangan ng tissue. I don't need tissue. Please stop judging me. Please stop.
He said na mabubuntis ako kay Coco Martin at magkakaanak kaming babae. Hindi nangyari. So,
Ay nako, ang daming plastic dito sa school. Akala mo kung sino magaganda, hindi naman maganda. Hi! Plastic.
may galit pa eh!
That's true. No, I respect that. I really respect that. Pero ang ating leksyon, mga kaibigan,
No, I want my bacon. I gotta tell you something. Bacon is good for me. I came in like a wrecking ball. I didn't it so hard to love.
Hashtag no makeup, hashtag no filter, hashtag nobody cares.
I will audition. I will audition.
Ka namin kukunin para sa role na to.
Kaya ko po magtula. Friends, romance, countrymen, lend me your...
Damn! You got a date? Or no? You trying to date? Or no?
Why? Ay, the shoelace.
Kaya mo ba mo? Ako na, Darla, hindi ka makabel. Kaloka.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever, magmula nung nakilala kita.